afternoon. This is a pneumatic cylinder, and it costs 120 euros, but in fact was causing downtime costs of more than 100,000 euros. And it's especially annoying because this part was actually in stock, but couldn't be found due to poor data quality in the ERP system. So procurement had to do magic and fly in the part at high cost, because downtime is the enemy of every manufacturing company. So this is why we find 58 billion euros of inventory in the German industry alone. 26% of that spare parts in the inventories are duplicates, and around 55% are being scrapped at the end of life of the machine without ever being used. So this is a CapEx and OpEx nightmare. How to solve this? Well, SPARETECH has one answer, and that is our global system of record that we have created with thousands of suppliers and original spare part manufacturers that contains millions of original data records that no one has access to except our customers. And they use that offline data and the online data in our database to clean their global master data across factories, to analyze all their spendings, free text, purchase orders, everything, much more reliable because of that reference database that we use. And that is the key to success when it comes to MRO industrial procurement. Being an official SAP partner, we are proud to serve leading industrial companies such as Nestlé, Porsche, Bosch, and many others across 23 countries worldwide. And the reason why they choose us is because 17% of MRO procurement costs can relatively fast be saved. They can lower inventory by 21%, and the first results are actually accessible within 1 day only. So we would love to invite you for a free of charge quick check. We are available at the booth right over there, and of course right next to the stage after this pitch. Thank you very much for your attention.